Seniors, are you constantly feeling bloated, dealing with gas, heartburn, or unpredictable bowel movements? It might not be just aging. The real problem could be hiding in your daily plate. There are common foods, yes, foods you eat every week, that are silently ruining your digestive system. They might seem harmless or even healthy, but for aging bodies, they can be a disaster. In this video, we'll reveal 7 foods you must avoid if you want smoother digestion, less bloating, and more energy after meals. And here's the truth. What you cut out is just as important as what you eat. So stay tuned till the end. You don't want to miss the #1 gut saboteur most seniors eat without question. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Nest, where we give you powerful, age-smart tips to keep you healthy, mobile, and thriving well into your golden years. Let's begin. #1. Fried foods, the grease that grinds your gut. Fried foods may taste delicious, but they are among the worst offenders when it comes to digestion, especially in seniors. Why? Because deep frying adds a heavy load of trans fats and saturated fats, which are very hard for the body to break down. As we age, our production of digestive enzymes and bile, necessary for fat digestion, naturally declines. That means those crispy French fries, fried chicken, and even breaded fish sticks sit in your stomach longer, causing bloating, acid reflux, and heaviness. Worse still, fried foods slow gut motility, meaning they cause food to move through the intestines more slowly, leading to constipation or discomfort. They also disrupt the gut microbiome, the colony of good bacteria that regulates digestion. This imbalance can cause irregular bowel habits and long-term inflammation in the gut lining. Plus, fried foods are often high in sodium, which causes water retention, making you feel sluggish and bloated. If you enjoy a crispy texture, try using an air fryer with heart-healthy oils like olive oil. You'll still get the crunch without the gut punishment. #2. Processed meats, a digestive time bomb. Bacon, sausages, deli meats, hot dogs. Processed meats may be convenient, but they're a disaster for digestive health. These meats are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and nitrates, which are known to irritate the stomach lining. When you consume them regularly, you put your gut under constant stress, which can lead to gastritis, acid reflux, and even ulcers. Seniors are particularly vulnerable because the aging digestive system is already more sensitive. Many processed meats also lack fiber, making them difficult to move through the intestines, which contributes to constipation and poor elimination. Furthermore, the high-fat content slows digestion, and the low-quality protein in these meats can ferment in the gut, leading to excess gas and foul-smelling stools. The World Health Organization has even classified processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there's strong evidence they may increase cancer risk, especially colorectal cancer. If you want meat, go for lean, unprocessed cuts like chicken breast, turkey, or fish. And avoid anything in a package with a long shelf life. Your gut will thank you for it. #3. Artificial sweeteners, gut bacteria's worst enemy. They promise 0 calories, but artificial sweeteners might be causing maximum digestive disruption. Sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and sorbitol are commonly found in diet sodas, sugar-free gum, protein bars, and diabetic-friendly products. The problem is, your body doesn't fully absorb these chemicals, which means they pass into the gut, where they ferment and disrupt your natural flora. Studies show that artificial sweeteners alter the gut microbiome, killing off helpful bacteria and encouraging the growth of harmful strains. This can lead to bloating, diarrhea, gas, and abdominal pain, and it gets worse the more often you consume them. Sorbitol, found in sugar-free gum and candies, is particularly problematic. It has a laxative effect, which may sound good for constipation, but often leads to cramping and watery stools, especially in seniors. And don't forget the link between gut health and the brain. A damaged gut can impair mental clarity, memory, and mood. Instead of artificial sweeteners, try natural options like stevia or monk fruit, or better yet, retrain your palate to enjoy mildly sweet foods without additives. #4. Dairy products. If you're lactose intolerant, read this. Dairy can be healthy, but for many seniors, it's one of the most common digestive offenders. As we age, our body naturally produces less lactase, the enzyme required to break down lactose, the sugar found in milk, cheese, and ice cream. Without enough lactase, lactose ferments in the gut, causing gas, bloating, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. Many seniors live with undiagnosed lactose intolerance, mistaking their symptoms for other issues. If you regularly feel bloated or uncomfortable after consuming dairy, your gut might be crying for help. Even worse, heavy cheeses and full-fat dairy products are also high in saturated fats, which slow digestion and can worsen constipation. Flavored yogurts may contain added sugars and artificial flavors that further irritate the gut. The solution? Switch to lactose-free milk, Greek yogurt with live cultures, or plant-based alternatives like almond, oat, or coconut milk. But always check the labels to ensure they're free of added gums and sugars that can also trigger issues. Number 5. Beans and legumes. Healthy, but not always digestive friendly. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes are packed with plant protein, fiber, and vital minerals. But here's the twist. They're also loaded with oligosaccharides, a type of complex carbohydrate that the human body struggles to digest. Instead of breaking down in the small intestine like most foods, these carbs move into the large intestine, where they ferment and produce excess gas. For seniors, especially those with slower digestive systems or existing gut sensitivity, this can lead to intense bloating, flatulence, stomach cramps, and irregular bowel movements. Even more concerning, many seniors increase fiber too quickly, thinking it's a cure for constipation. But legumes, without enough water or gradual introduction, can actually worsen digestive discomfort. Does that mean beans are off the table completely? Not necessarily. The key is preparation and portion. Soaking beans overnight and cooking them thoroughly can help break down some of the gas-producing compounds. Starting with small portions and slowly increasing intake allows the gut to adapt. But if you're struggling with consistent bloating or IBS-like symptoms, it may be best to limit or temporarily remove legumes until your digestion stabilizes. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. When raw, they can wreak havoc. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses. They contain antioxidants, fiber, and compounds that may even fight cancer. However, for many seniors, eating these vegetables raw can be a major digestive challenge. Why? Because cruciferous veggies are high in insoluble fiber and sulfur-containing compounds like glucosinolates. While these are beneficial in moderation, when not broken down properly, they ferment in the colon, causing gas, bloating, and stomach pain. Raw broccoli in a salad may sound healthy, but it can trigger intense discomfort for older adults with slower digestive systems or reduced enzyme production. Many seniors also have underlying issues like diverticulitis, gastritis, or even acid reflux, all of which are worsened by hard-to-digest raw vegetables. The solution? Cook them. Steaming, roasting, or lightly sautéing these vegetables helps soften the fibers and break down complex compounds, making them easier for your digestive tract to handle. You still get the benefits without the belly ache. And if you're prone to gas, stick to smaller portions and eat them with other gut-soothing foods. Number 7. Spicy foods. Tasty but terrible for senior stomachs. Love that spicy kick in your meals? It might be time to dial it down. Spicy foods, especially those containing chili peppers, hot sauces, black pepper, or cayenne, can cause serious trouble for the aging digestive system. As we grow older, the lining of our stomach becomes more sensitive. Spicy foods can irritate this lining, leading to heartburn, acid reflux, and even gastritis. If you've ever felt a burning sensation in your chest or an upset stomach after a spicy meal, that's your body sending a clear warning signal. Spicy foods also trigger the overproduction of stomach acid, which can back up into the esophagus and cause painful reflux, especially when lying down after dinner. For seniors with GERD or ulcers, spicy meals are like throwing fuel on a fire. Some spices also stimulate the bowels, causing loose stools or diarrhea, particularly in people with IBS or gallbladder issues. While a little spice may be okay for some, frequent consumption can wear down your stomach's defenses over time. Try milder seasonings like turmeric, cumin, and herbs, which are easier on digestion and still provide great flavor without the risk. Seniors, your digestion is the foundation of your overall health. When your gut is happy, you absorb nutrients better, have more energy, and feel truly alive. But if you're constantly battling discomfort, the first place to look is your plate. By removing these 7 sneaky food offenders, fried foods, processed meats, artificial sweeteners, troublesome dairy, excess legumes, raw cruciferous veggies, and spicy triggers, you'll give your digestive system the break it desperately needs. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with a friend or loved one who also needs gut relief. In the comments, let us know which food on this list surprised you the most. We love hearing your stories and questions. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Nest for more senior-specific health tips, because aging doesn't mean suffering, it means getting smarter about what your body truly needs. Until next time, eat well, stay strong, and take care of your gut, because it's taking care of you every single day.